Good evening. My name is Brandon Cotton, and this is my conference proposal final draft over my topic, African American Male Mentors and the Benefits to Educating Minority Students. Session description. My session will cover highlighting information on how students can benefit from having African American male or other male mentors in their life. Some students grow up in environments where they do not have positive role models or parents to provide, teach, and guide them. So having African American male mentors and other male mentors in their lives can help push them in many different ways. The session will mostly cover information on how to become a mentor for teachers and other outside community members who are not already involved in mentorship. Post completing my first conference proposal draft, um, the feedback I received was very helpful and constructive. I wanted to make sure overall that my session stayed intriguing, interesting, and motivating for my attendees. So I tried to make sure I structured my conference in a fun and engaging way. The personal experience from the people who left feedback helped my proposal. One of the best feedback suggestions I received was from our professor, whom suggested that I find research to back my theoretical foundation. That helped a lot when providing information on how male mentors are beneficial to students within the public education system. Um, as far as incorporating feedback into my presentation, I wanted to make sure I incorporate as much as I possibly could. I feel like since we're publishing this to people in actual publications that will potentially read this, I want to have a paper that correlates with their opinions. I want to write something that they understand, that they feel their voices matter and being heard as well too. The conference I selected to submit my proposal to is the National Alliance of Black Schools Educators Conference. Since I am a black male educator myself, I felt that I could share my experience with other black educators within the state of Texas. The National Alliance of Black School Educators, they offer vast professional development and information sharing programs for other black school educators around the state. It provides hands-on learning opportunities as well as individual informational resources for African American teachers. The conference was held November 13th to the 17th. Unfortunately, due to working my first year as a teacher, I was unable to attend the conference. However, I do plan on trying to attend the conference next year in 2020 while at the 48th annual conference and also present my conference there as well too. Lastly, if I could give advice for other potential authors, I would make sure that when you construct your draft or your proposal, that you make it hands-on and interactive. I've been to a few conferences myself, and the one thing that always keeps me going back is the activities. You don't want to have it where people who are attending are just sitting down and hearing people talk. I mean, if it's going to be some form of a lecture, at least it could be fun and maybe pose questions to the audience. Just make it feel as if they're involved in the conversation as well too, or the learning. I would also pick a topic that definitely interests you. Like I said, I am a first year African American English teacher. I'm one of four male African American teachers on my campus, at least in my middle school, and I can see the benefit I have as far as being in the kids' lives and being there every day, providing substantial care, learning environments, and just a person to talk to. So I feel as though it was easy and helpful for me to create my convention topic because it definitely relates to my field of choice. I love my job and I love what I do, and the biggest reward is seeing how beneficial I am. I wouldn't say beneficial, but just how much of a beneficial impact I have upon that child's life just by being there every day. This has been my conference final draft proposal video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have enjoyed the rest of your night and Thanksgiving break. Have a great day.